How to manage Etsy inventory. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'm gonna show you the procedure to manage Etsy inventory. To manage Etsy inventory, you need to use Etsy Shop Manager to manually set up and update the quantity for each listing, or use an external inventory management system. So what you want to do is actually want to open up your Etsy.com, not the app. Want to go to the Etsy.com and sign into your seller's account. After which you just want to navigate to the listing section. So you could find it in the bottom of the page, or you can actually find it in the profile icon as well. And when you go to the listing section, what you need is find the product that you want to update and click on the edit button. Then you just want to find the quantity filled and enter the number of items you currently have available for that listing. Save the listing to update the inventory count. Etsy will automatically decrease the quantity when an item is sold. And that's how you should be able to manage Etsy inventory. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.